Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for high-paying internships in data analytics, data science or software development, then today's video is going to be extremely valuable. Today I will be sharing 3 latest internship opportunities that are open for students and freshers. The first opening is a remote data analytics internship from Nova Technology. Second opportunity is a data science internship from eClerx. And finally, I will share a remote website and software development internship. So, if you are planning to build a career in data analytics or development, make sure to watch this video till the end because each opportunity has something unique to offer. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Let's start with the first internship. This opportunity is from Nova Technology for the role of data analytics intern. This is a 3-month remote internship with an stipend of 21 to 23,000 rupees per month. Apart from stipend, selected candidates will also receive a pre-placement offer, which is the biggest advantage here. Now let's talk about what you will actually do in this internship. You will work with real-world business datasets and learn how companies use data to make better decisions. Your responsibilities include collecting and cleaning datasets from multiple resources, performing exploratory data analysis, commonly known as EDA, identify trends and patterns in business data, building dashboards and visualizations, supporting predictive modeling, and translating business requirements into analytical tasks, documenting workflows, performing quality checks, and presenting your findings to the team. This means you won't be just learning theory, you will work on practical analytics projects similar to what full time data analysts do in the industry. Coming to the required skills, the company is looking for candidates with knowledge of data analysis, cleaning, data visualization, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, problem solving, and communication skills. Even if you are still learning tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or Power BI, this internship can become an excellent starting point for your career in analytics. This internship is open to undergraduate students, postgraduate, and engineering students who have an interest in data analytics. If your goal is to become an analyst or business analyst, I strongly recommend applying for this internship. Now let's move to the second internship, and this one is from eClerx for the role of Data Science Intern. eClerx is a globally recognized company known for analytics, automation, financial services, and digital operations. This is a 3-month in office internship based in Mumbai. Although the stipend has not been disclosed here, the learning opportunity offered by this internship make it one of the strongest opportunity for students interested in AI or data science. During this internship, you will work with experienced data professionals on real business datasets. Your responsibilities include collecting and cleaning structured as well as unstructured data, performing data analysis, building and testing machine learning models under expert guidance, writing SQL queries for data extraction, using Python libraries for analytics and predictive modeling, creating dashboards using Power BI or Tableau, automating reporting processes, validating data quality, documenting findings, and participating in project reviews and technical discussions. The required skills include Python, SQL, machine learning, Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, Power BI, Tableau, data visualization, data analysis, problem solving, and communication skills. Now, don't worry if you are not expert in machine learning yet. Companies understand that this is an internship. They mainly expect candidates to have strong learning ability, fundamentals of Python, SQL, and excited to learn data science. One of the biggest benefit of joining eClerx is an exposure to real-world analytics projects and mentorship from experienced professionals. This kind of experience make your resume much more stronger when applying to future data science or AI related roles. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity, and this one is from Andy Software Solutions for the role of website and software intern. This is another work from home internship, making it suitable for students from anywhere in India. This internship duration is 1 to 3 months and a monthly stipend of rupees 20,000. The company is looking for candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience, so freshers and students are welcome to apply. During this internship, you will work alongside experienced software developer and contribute to real software projects. Your responsibilities include developing and maintaining web applications, assisting senior developers in implementing new features, participating in code reviews, debugging application, improving software performance, learning modern technologies and frameworks, and contributing throughout the complete software development lifecycle. The required skills include Python, Java, JavaScript, web development, software development fundamentals, problem solving, debugging, code reviews, and team collaboration. The company is also offering mentorship from experienced developers, practical exposure to live software projects, remote work flexibility, and the opportunity to work with modern software engineering practices. If you are interested in full stack development, backend, or software engineering, this internship provides excellent practical exposure while applying you to remote opportunities. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities. If your goal is data analytics, then Nova Technology should definitely be on your first choice because it offers a good stipend, remote work, flexible hours, and a PPO opportunity. That is very important. If you are interested in AI, ML, or data science, then eClerx is excellent opportunity. And if you are passionate about development, full stack development, or web development, then Andy Software Solutions offers a great remote opportunity. Possibly, I recommend applying for every opportunity you are eligible for. Never depend on just one application. Before ending this video, here's something important piece of advice. Many students keep applying because they think they don't meet every single skill set mentioned in the job description. But please don't make that mistake. Company usually lists their ideal candidate, but they know freshers are still learning. And if you cover most of the skill set in the job description, and if you cover most of important of them, then make sure to apply and do not think they have mentioned 3 to 4 tech stacks. They pick a candidate based on the project requirements for their company because in a company they build softwares for other companies which requires other tech stacks too. So according to your tech stack, they will align a project to you. And also I would like to say is that make your profile highlight by adding a lead code profile, solve DSA problems on lead code, and also optimize your GitHub projects and stay active on LinkedIn. These small improvements make a huge difference during the interviews. If this video helped you discover useful fresher opportunities, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends who are also searching software jobs and internships. And if you want any particular job opportunity update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.